today we have a Lenovo laptop which is not powered on. It's got GTX graphics and Core i7. So what we're trying to do is plug in the charger, and it's not taking any power. Okay, let's open it up. And the laptop is open. The battery is unplugged. So let's plug in the charger and measure for voltages.
Okay, I also start for
Look for some capacitors. Nothing there. Nope, it's not getting any power. 0.24. For the charging pin, we are getting 19 volts. Okay, so I think I see the problem. Let me show you. This MOSFET over here is blown, and that is the battery MOSFET, I think. Let's just confirm. So the positive is here, goes to this fuse. Just put the meter on diode mode. From here to the fuse, from the fuse to here, from here to this MOSFET. Yep, that's the battery MOSFET. Okay. Let's take the board out. Oh no, we don't have to take it out. Oh, we do. Yeah, we do. Okay, let's strip it down. And the board is out. PCH over here, easy chip, main MOSFETs over here for a charging pin. So let's see, let's test a few things, but we're gonna need a charging pin, obviously. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so I need to plug in the charging pin. Okay, charging pin is in. Let's plug in the charger. Charger's in. It's taking nothing, no amps, no current at all. Let's check the voltages. First MOSFET we have 19. Second MOSFET nothing. So it's blocking after a second MOSFET. So we have 19 on this side, and on this side we have nothing. Okay, let's do some tests for shorts. See if we find any shorts on the board. Okay, let's replace this MOSFET and see what happens. Some flux on. So the body is a bit burnt, so what we have to do is put some fresh solder on here. Just turn it into a way that we can see it nicely. So we need some solder wire. Okay. Still some burnt marks over here, so we have to scratch this off to get to the solder. There we go, it should work. Okay, should be fine. Let's just suck up some of this solder. Okay, that looks good enough. Right, let's put on a new MOSFET. So we can get one from this board. It's a Dell. So let's see. Let's take one here. Cool it off with my pen. Let's check it with the multimeter. How short? What's the square looking at? Okay, it's looking good.
Smoke breaker. The smoke is finished.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, let's plug in the charger. Still not taking any current. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we can find. This is one. It looks on fine. So this is a BQ24780S, if I'm not mistaken. So I think we have to change the BQ chip as well. Let me get it for. Okay, so I had to edit the video. So it is charging now. Ground it here. Centimeter 5.24. And if you look on the bench power supply, it's taking almost 1 amp while it's off, so that means it's charging. Yeah, so what I did is I've replaced the BQ chip again, and I've replaced these 2 MOSFETs again from a Lenovo board. So this is a Lenovo laptop, so I just took it off another Lenovo board. And yeah, so it's working. It's charging, working. Switch on. Showing the Lenovo sign over here. Okay, now it's taking like 3 amps from the bench power supply. It's showing the charging icon here. I don't know if you can see it. So, don't know how strong the battery is. It's staying on. And it's charging. Okay, so this one is it's a success. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.